Installation of anchoring clamps. The anchoring clamp assembly consists of the clamp body with plastic wedges, steel bell, bracket. The accessories required to mount this assembly on the pole are straps and buckles. The various tools required during installation are strap binding tool, hammer, face separator, pliers. Now, let us look at the correct procedure of mounting the anchoring clamp assembly on the pole by means of strapping. We select straps of suited lengths. Pass the open ends of the strap through the buckle. Lock at the bracket on the pole and wrap the strap around them as shown in the video. Lock the other open end of the strap into the strap binding tool and lock the tool. Tension the strap by rotating the handle of the strap binding tool. Cut the additional strap using the cutting edge of the tension tool and reverse float the end of it. Now, hammer to bend the straight flanges of the buckle, using the similar method to fix the second strap. The bracket has now been mounted. Let us now understand the procedure to place a cable. Identify the nature message cable separated from the other phase cables using a phase separator. Slide the captive wedges in clamp body to the top, which allows sufficient gap for the cable to insert. Place the neutral message cable between the plastic wedge of the clamp body. Once located, slide the wedge down till it grips the messenger cable. Recheck that the cable does not slide from the clamp. Let us now understand the assembly procedure of anchoring clamp into the bracket. Please note one end of a steel bile is supplied in open condition for easy assembly at site. Pass the open end of the bile from the bracket end. Insert the open end of steel bile into the gap of the body. Twist the bile to adjust the cut slot and rivet to match parallel with the rib of body for easy insertion. Note that one or two clamps can be mounted in one bracket depending on the application dead ending or large angle assembly. You have successfully installed the anchoring clamp.